Customer returns. Sometimes, customers want to return devices they have purchased. So, if you encounter this scenario, go to the Items section, which is open by default, and find the device your customer wants to return. Click on the IMEI number and open the release by clicking on it. Then, press the Add Return button. Enter or scan the IMEI number of the device you want to return, and click the Add button. Specify the return reason and final decision about the item. If you are going to issue a refund for this return, you can put the refund amount into the Refund Paid field. When you have all the information you need and your work with this return is done, you can close the return by clicking Save as Closed. If you mark the decision as Approved, the specified items will be released back into your inventory. However, if you choose Declined, the items in your inventory will maintain a released status.